When you think about candle design, most people picture a plain jar with a sticker slapped on the front. But when you sublimate or engrave your candles, the entire experience changes. Pro tip, did you know most matte candle vessels already have a polyester coating? That means you don't have to buy special sublimation vessels, just use what you love and have already. Sublimation transforms your vessel into glowing art. When the candle is lit, the design shines through the glass, creating a magical glow you'll never get from a label. Engraving, on the other hand, adds that artisan touch, permanent, luxurious, and carved right into the vessel or lid. These designs aren't temporary. They don't peel, bubble, or fade with time. They stay beautiful through heat, humidity, and everyday handling. That means your candle looks as good on the last burn as it did on the first. It's also more eco-friendly. Customers are less likely to throw out this candle, but keep it as a keepsake, even use it as a pen holder. From a branding perspective, sublimation and engraving elevate your work. Your art and your logo become part of the vessel. Customers see it as keepsake quality, something to gift, display, and treasure. It's not just a candle anymore, it's a piece of candle art. And the best part? This sets you apart. While most makers stick to labels, you're offering something rare, something lasting. Sublimated and engraved candles have a higher perceived value, and buyers are willing to invest in them. They trust the quality and they remember the experience. That's why I always say, don't settle for labels. When you sublimate and engrave, you're not just making candles, you're creating art that glows differently. Are you interested in learning how to sublimate and engrave your candles? I have a playlist for engraving and a playlist for sublimation. Each video is short and to the point, so you can make candles like these. It's easy, I promise. If you are just getting started, check out my video on sublimation supplies. Sign up to get my book at cost when it is released. It will take you step by step through the sublimation and engraving process with all the settings and materials you need. You can make these candles from home. Invest in yourself. You will be glad you did. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to sublimate and engrave their candles, turning plain vessels into works of art. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.